Installing the powder measure and return chain. Reattach the powder measure to the powder through die. Remove the hopper by removing the two knurled brass nuts on the bottom of the measure. Place the proper disc for the load you desire in the system with the appropriate cavity facing toward the back of the measure, and reattach the hopper and the brass nuts. Assemble the return chain by placing the bell at one end of the chain. Place the buffer spring on so that it rests against the bell. Ensure that the press is at the bottom of the stroke. Thread the other end of the chain through the hole in the carrier and bring it up through the outside hole on the powder measure lever. Keep the chain taut with your fingers and raise the ram just enough so that you can pull one additional bead through the powder measure lever. Then lower the ram. This puts non-excessive pressure on the buffer spring and tightens the chain. Thread the remainder of the chain through the other hole in the powder measure and pull it tight. The chain is now properly set and can be easily removed by simply giving it slack by raising the ram. Remove it from the powder measure. We recommend this so there is not constant tension on the powder measure when you are not loading.